Local, trusted, NBC Nebraska News.
And welcome back. We do have partly cloudy skies out there right now, and it is starting to get cool in North Platte. A current temperature of 25 degrees, and it does feel like 18 with that westerly wind around 6 miles per hour. And out towards Scottsbluff, a little warmer, 32 degrees, also partly cloudy skies with that wind northwest around 7, makes it feel like 26 degrees. So we'll say slightly cool compared to where we were early today, but still not that bad for this time of day and this time of year. High temperatures across the region look like this. We're into the lower 60s at Broken Bow, Lexington, Ogallala, near 60 out toward Imperial. North Platte was the state high at 64 degrees, and we were into the mid to upper 50s for most areas into the Panhandle. Temperatures across the region right now, mid to upper 20s out toward North Platte, Broken Bow, lower 20s at Lexington, lower 20s also out toward Alliance with Scottsbluff at 32 degrees. There's your wind mainly from a westerly, a little bit of a northerly component in there too. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. So let's take a look at the only weather alert we do have across the viewing area. Once again, the areas from I-25 and points off to the west, and a high wind watch from Monday at 2 a.m. to Monday at 8 p.m. Those are for those traveling along I-25 and even I-80 from Cheyenne, points off to the north and west, still dealing with a good amount of wind once again as we make our way through the day on Monday. Could have wind gusts 40 to 60 miles per hour, but everywhere else across the viewing area, winds should be mainly light. Doppler radar showing that we're tracking that one band of clouds from, say, the I-80 corridor and points off to the north as you make your way south of I-80 in central Nebraska. Mostly clear skies. We are staying on the dry and mild side. So the Doppler radar showing that we do have this warm front making its way through. The core of the cool air is exiting into the northeast right now, and high pressure off to our south and to our west is in charge of our forecast, giving us that nice, dry and mild southwesterly wind. The warm sector across most of the country right now. These systems are slow movers. We do have that major nor'easter that is basically blocking this high and this warm front from moving off to the east. So we're going to say more of the same as we go through your Sunday and Monday with those highs in the 50s and 60s. Lots of sunshine. Could be a little breezy at times, especially into our western counties, and the cooler air will wait until Tuesday to start to filter into our forecast area. So Skycast shows that we're going to drop a few more degrees. We go through the overnight. Some areas having lows in the upper teens, but the sunshine and the warm air back for tomorrow. A few degrees cooler compared to today for your Sunday, but that still gets us into the mid, maybe some upper 50s across the region. Starting off your Monday morning around 20 degrees, but Monday we will have a slight increase in the clouds. We'll say partly cloudy for most of us, but we do have a stronger surge of that southerly wind with those highs ranging from the mid-50s to the lower 60s. Here's how it looks on the map. The warm sector stays in place until Tuesday, and we do have this cold front up north finally starting to approach. It'll give us some light snow shower activity Tuesday night into Wednesday, but definitely filter in the cooler air. Let's do the 7-day forecast. First for North Platte. Going to stay near 60 in the next couple of days. A slight increase in the clouds until Tuesday, a high of 33. Snow showers developing Tuesday night, lasting through Wednesday. Should be mainly light. 18 your high on Wednesday, then gradually rising, partly cloudy to mostly sunny Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Will rise from the mid-20s back into the mid-40s. Next weekend could be pretty nice. And then as we go into the Scottsbluff area, into the mid-50s, so a little cooler than central Nebraska the next couple of days. Still mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Wednesday falling down to 19 with the chance of some snow showers. And then as we go through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, a high of 27 turned into a high of 45 with a good amount of sunshine for next weekend. Marissa?
So how much longer will this cold front last, since we've kind of been doing this roller coaster of temperatures?
Well, we'll stay in the warm air all the way until around Monday night. Then that cold front comes through, and look what happens after that, back into the teens for highs.
Thank you, Justin. The ability to run a business from one's home is on trial in Tennessee. The Tennessee Supreme Court heard a case involving a law that prohibits business owners from running their businesses from home. We take